Hey everybody, it's Gary Boomershine from REIvault. You know, one of the questions that comes up a lot is how does REIvault help real estate agents and investors? And one of the biggest challenges that most of us have in real estate is getting in front of qualified, motivated sellers with as little work as possible, because all the money in real estate is making offers to sellers and closing deals. And here's the thing, if you're a real estate investor, and frankly, any business owner, and you're doing $10 an hour work, you're going to have a $10 bank account. That's the reality. You need to be doing $1,000 to $10,000 hour work. And what REIvault does is it gives you the equivalent of a team of 40 people, experts at marketing and inside sales, who are doing direct mail for you, that are doing what's called RVM, ringless voicemail, and cold calling those sellers that you don't have to do for the cost of one $10 an hour resource. Imagine having 40 people that are absolute pros at marketing and pros at talking to sellers that are doing that for you on your behalf, so that you can actually do what you got into this business for, of making offers, closing deals, making money, and having a lifestyle of more time and more freedom for your family. So I just wanted to give you a quick little tour, talk a little bit about REIvault, and possibly talk to you.